Jigsaw Puzzle meets Brain Teaser. Introducing Jigsaw Puzzle 29 with 5 corner pieces. You gotta fit all these jigsaw puzzle pieces into this square frame. It's got jigsaw puzzle pieces with no picture, so you don't know which is up or which is down. It's newly released this year and it's really fun because it's really hard. I mean, it's got 5 corner pieces. Puzzlemaster.ca is the only place you can buy Jigsaw Puzzle 29. Click on the link in the description to get your copy of Jigsaw Puzzle 29, the amazing Jigsaw Puzzle Brain Teaser mashup.